Determine the 4-digit whole number represented in expanded form written in powers of 10. Each place value in a place value chart has a value that is 10 times as great as the place value to its right. We can write it this way using exponents. So in the ones, you have 10 to the 0 power. There's not 10 there, there's only 1. Then in the tens, you have 10 to the first power, which equals 10. 10 to the second power. Let's look at it another way. So when we look at the place value chart, each one is multiplied by 10. It gets greater as we go up. And that's a lot of tens to multiply when you get to 100 million. So an easier way to record a number that is being multiplied by itself is to use exponents. Exponents are small digits to the right-hand side of each number. So we look at 10 to the 8th power. That means 10 times itself 8 times to get to 100 million. Exponents represent a number that is multiplied by itself the number of times of the exponent. Let's practice. 10 to the 3rd power. That's saying that equals 10 times 10 times 10. So that's 10 multiplied by itself 3 times. First, you multiply 10 by 10 and you get 100. Then you multiply that 100 by 10 and you get 1,000. Let's practice again. What number has the following expanded form? So we're going to try it with 5 times 10 to the 3rd plus 8 times 10 to the 2nd plus 7 times 10 to the 1st plus 6 times 10 to the 0. That's the same thing as saying 5 times 10 times 10 times 10 plus 8 times 10 times 10 plus 7 times 10 plus 6 times 1. Then we break that down again. 5 times 1,000 plus 8 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 6 times 1. That's the same thing as saying 5,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6. And we know that that would be 5,876. That is our whole number.